Today I'm going to show you how to train your Jotform AI agent using URLs. This is incredibly useful when you want your agent to pull information directly from specific websites, keeping it updated with the latest content automatically. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where your AI agent is already set up, as we'll be accessing it shortly. After logging in, look to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Agents. This will take you to a page displaying all the AI agents you've created within your Jotform account. Now locate the specific agent you want to train. Once you've found it, click the Edit Agent button next to it. This will open up the Agent Builder interface, which is where all the customization and training happens. At the top of the Agent Builder interface, you'll notice a navigation bar with several tabs. Click on the one labeled Train. This section is dedicated to teaching your agent new information and improving its responses based on the data you provide within the training options. Select Knowledge Base. This is where you can add various sources of information for your agent to learn from, including documents, text, and URLs. Next, click on the Link option. This allows you to connect your agent directly to web pages so it can crawl and absorb the content found there. It's a powerful way to keep your agent informed with real-time or regularly updated information. You'll now see a URL field section where you need to enter the web address you want your agent to learn from. Type in the full URL carefully, making sure there are no typos. This could be a blog, a help center, a product page, or any other relevant site. After entering the URL, you'll be given the option to enable periodic recrawling. This feature is key if the content on that web page changes frequently. You can choose how often you want the agent to revisit and relearn from that URL, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly. Select the recrawl frequency that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click the Crawl button. The system will now begin processing the URL, extracting the content, and feeding it into your agent's knowledge base. Depending on the size of the page, this might take a few moments, so be patient while it completes. And that's it. You've successfully trained your Jotform AI agent using a URL, and if you enabled periodic recrawling, it will continue learning from that source on the schedule you set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.